Hello students, I am Bharati Shinde working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In this video, we will see projection of plane, and here we will take example of pentagonal plate. So example is a pentagonal plate of 30 mm side is resting on one of the side on HP such that plate is inclined at 40 degree with HP and perpendicular to VP. Center of plate is 50 mm from VP. Draw three views, that is we have to draw front view, top view and side view, and center of plate is given as 50 mm from VP and plane is inclined at 40 degree with HP and perpendicular to VP. So first of all we will draw a horizontal line. For this, take reference of the page and now draw a horizontal line. Like this. Now, pentagonal plate of side 30 mm. So we have to draw pentagon having side 30 mm below XY line because it is resting on one of the side on HP and inclined with the HP. So we have to draw pentagon in HP. So this is VP and this is HP, and its one of the side is vertical because resting on one of the side on HP. So draw pentagon having side 30 mm and its distance is also given as center of plate is 50 mm from VP. So first of all take distance 50 mm so here now 30 sides, so take 15 above and 15 below. So this is center and these two are points having side 30. Now measure angle on both sides, and for pentagon angle is 72 degree. So from this point I will measure 72 degree. And from this side also 72. Now measure 30 on this 72 degree line. Like this, and this is the point for 72 degree line. So measure 30 on this line. And now we know how to draw last point. So for this take 30 distance in rounder and draw arc from both the points. So this is next last point. Now join. So it will again 30. And this is also 30. Now give names to these points. So I will give A, B, C, D and E. Now next, draw front view. For this I will take projection. This is already we have taken. Next, so C and E are lies on the same line, and then D. Then give names A dash, B dash, then C dash, E dash and D dash. So this is the front view in stage 1. This is stage 1. Now in stage 2 we know that plate is inclined at 40 degree with HP is given. So plate is inclined at 40 degrees. So take one point here and measure 40 degree from this point, 40 degree angle. Now draw a random line that is any distance from this 40 degree angle. Now on this line take distance A dash, B dash up to C dash, E dash with the help of a rounder. And from C dash, E dash to D dash. Now I will rough the extra line and give names to these points as A dash, B dash, then C dash, E dash and then D dash. This is angle theta equals to 40 degree. Now after that take projections of this top view. Sorry, this is front view. This is also front view in stage 2 and this is top view. Now take projections of the front view and also this top view into say in stage 2. This is stage 2. So take horizontal projections from these points E, A dash, then point D, then point B, and last point C. Now join points by this is A and A dash B dash line. So this is point A, or in stage 2 we can say it as A1. So this is A1 point, then E point and E point. So E1, then D point and D dash line. So D1, C point and C dash line, C1, B point and B dash line. So this is point B1. Now join all these points like this. Then join E1, D1 and D1, C1. So in this way we have joined all these points. So this is top view in stage 2. Now it is given in question that draw 3 views, that is front view, top view and side view. So for side view, take already XY line we have drawn. This is X and here Y. So XY line already we have drawn. Then draw X1 Y1 line and 45-degree angle line for drawing the side view. So for this we will take symmetric distance, that is measure measure 2 mm 20 mm, that is 2 centimeter distance. So or you can take 3. Space I have taken 3. So same 3 take on this side. And now I will draw this point as XY line. So take parallel to this line. And now draw this line as X1 and here Y1. So this is Y1. Now draw line from this point or I will extend this line. Now this is the origin, that is XY and X1 Y1 line. So measure 45-degree angle from this line. This is for projection as we have seen in orthographic view. Now We have to take projection of top view straight line up to 45-degree line. So already we have taken this. So I will draw the extended line which is beyond this 45-degree line. So up to 45-degree line my projections are there, and now this point, no need to take this point, as already projections are there on 45-degree line. So we will extend these projections in vertical direction. So I will draw parallel line to XY line, and now draw projections vertically upward from these various points. Now vertical projections we have taken. Now from this front view take horizontal projections. So we will get side view. So like this. Now match the points from this front view and projection from top view. So A dash B dash. So mark A1 point, so which is on this line, and give its name as A double dash. This is A double dash. Now B point, so this is point B double dash. Then C point, which is on the middle line, and from this, so this is C double dash. Then E point, so this is E double dash, and last D point and C line from this, so this is D double dash. Now join all these points. So we will get front view, we will get side view, or which is left hand side view. And give name to these views as LHSV. So it is a left hand side view. Now show here as 45-degree. And give distance to this pentagon and show distance 50 also. So this is the complete diagram. So here 50 distance, and this side of pentagon is 30 mm. So I will give here top view, I will write here. So this is top view like this, and show here 30 distance, that is side, and then show this distance as 50. So this is 50 and this is 30. Draw arrow. Like this. So in this way we have completed example. show VP and HP like this. You can show here also. This is VP and this is HP. This is the complete example.